Hey everyone, Deep here. In this video, we are going to talk about the compatibility of a GPU with a CPU. So, all the PC enthusiasts out there, I'm recently watching on YouTube. This trend is going on that how to, make a match of a CPU with a GPU. So I have found a way to do that. So let's see how we can do that. So we have to visit this website first. This is called pcbuilds.com. So I will try to link this website's web address in the description. So this is called the bottleneck calculator. So when you have to understand that when a CPU and a GPU bottlenecks, so the first thing that you need to understand is how good is your CPU and how good is your GPU. If your CPU is not up to the mark, like your CPU don't have enough cores or threads or frequency, if we compare it with the GPU, then it will bottleneck. So what is bottleneck? That when you take the CPU to the max level or turbo boost in terms of gaming, then the CPU will certainly try to maximize things, and the GPU won't support that CPU much, because then the CPU will bottle and the performance of your PC gaming will be not up to the mark. So how to calculate this? Let's see. So you can see the categories are given over here, the computer configuration. So let's see, like in my case I have Intel Core i3. Okay, so let's see if we are getting the suggestions over here. We have to find manually, maybe sometimes, like this one. The 4130 processor is given, 4150, 4160, 4170. I have a fourth generation PC, two PCs I have, so both of them are of fourth generation Intel OEM processors. So let's look for that. If we can find that particular processor, like the 4350 processor, the 4330, it's TE given over here. So let's search. You will find each and every processor in this list, this drop down list. 4130T. Okay, no, this is not the case. I have a 4160T, which is a low power consumption CPU, and this one 4160T. Okay, so this is my first desktop, 4160T, and let's say NVIDIA. Okay, NVIDIA GeForce. Let's say AMD Radeon RX 6700 XT desktop, 12,288 MB. So this will certainly bottleneck. So what purpose do you need? So let's say I need general tasks, and the resolution is it's my screen resolution 1920 by 1080. So proceed to calculate, and let's see what results we get. Okay, so here are the results. You can read through this. The processor might become a bottleneck for the graphics card's performance. While the graphics card is capable of handling intensive graphical workloads, the processor's processing power may not be sufficient to fully utilize the graphics card's potential. This imbalance could restrict the system's overall performance, leading to slower processing and potentially reduced graphics quality. To achieve a more balanced setup, it would be advisable to consider upgrading to a more powerful processor that can keep up with the demand of modern applications and games. So it's telling me the end result is Intel Core i3 4160T is too weak for AMD Radeon RX 6700 XT on 1920 by 1080 pixels screen resolution for general task even. So you cannot game on this. So forget about gaming. It's telling us that we cannot do general tasks even properly. So this is how you can calculate your CPU and your GPU, that is what kind of CPU you need for a GPU and vice versa. So this was an informative video, I think, for you all. Please watch this video till the end. I will link the this particular website's link in the description. Please check it out, and if you are also a PC enthusiast, then you can certainly try this before buying a CPU and a GPU for gaming purposes, or processor intensive tasks, or graphics card intensive tasks, or general purposes. So thanks for watching this video, and I will see you all again next time in another video. And honestly speaking, we are very close to 50 subscribers. So if we get to 50 subscribers after this, we will certainly I will certainly make a special video on that. Thanks for watching.